I'm Vic Rouleau from Vic's Visions. I make rustic lawn art, sculptures, flowers, whatever. I'll say on the motorcycle, I wanted to make the bike, but I don't want no motorcycle parts in it, so I have to find like the air compressor motor that could be made to look like the motor of the motorcycle. Same way with the wheels, they're wrapped with chain, so it looks like broken rubber. I have a friend that builds motorcycles and he let me use one as a pattern. So from there, getting a motor to the wheels to handlebars to everything else that goes on it to make it look correct. The biggest challenge is finding the right resources. I get an idea and then I have to find all the pieces to make that particular piece come together. Art has always been one of my favorite things, and it's just taken this long to get into it.